Which of these famous space images do you think is the biggest? Hi everyone, astrophysicist here with a little reminder about how bafflingly gigantic the universe is. The Horsehead Nebula is just a little guy. He's only 2 light years across, really more of an outcropping of the much larger Orion Nebula. But how many pixels do you think that the solar system would take up in this image? 10? 2? 1? Less than 1? The correct answer is 20% of 1 pixel. These are the pillars of creation, photographed by the Hubble Space Telescope. They're called that because they're star nurseries. They're literally clouds where new stars are born. They're also really cool for astronomers because they change on the human timescale decade to decade. These guys are 5 light years tall, so even though this image is a little higher quality than usual, our solar system is only 25% of 1 pixel. The Crab Nebula is the opposite of a stellar nursery. It's the exploded remains of a single massive star that went supernova about 1,000 years ago. Side note, that was visible from Earth, and it scared the heck out of people in ye olde 1054. The Crab Nebula is about twice as big as the Pillars of Creation, and even though this image is crazy high quality, the solar system takes up about 1/3 of 1 pixel. At this point, you may be beginning to wonder, is there anything comparable in size to our solar system besides other solar systems? I wondered that too, but fortunately I found the Jewel Bug Nebula, a little baby guy who's only 1/10 of a light year across because he's only 600 years old. He's a baby. Look at that dot. That's here. That's home. That's us. Okay, let's do the big one last. These are the cosmic cliffs, the edge of a bubble on the corner of the Carina Nebula. The Carina Nebula is 460 light years across, and this image is 16 light years across. The only thing bigger than the Carina Nebula is the Tarantula Nebula, and a handful of others. If the Tarantula Nebula was where the Orion Nebula is right now, it would cast shadows at night. Thanks for joining me on this little reminder about how tiny and insignificant humans are in the wider cosmos. Were your guesses correct? Let me know in the comments, and join me next time for more upsetting facts about the universe.